He's from Toronto.
Miles upon. What's on here? Can you turn on the AC?
It's all the way cold. I don't know. Like, if this is as cold as it goes. I brought it into the shop at one point to get the wheel axle fixed, and asked them about the AC, and they said it was fine, but I don't know. It just doesn't work. I can open the windows, I guess. What? Oh.
We're in places we've never been before. New job, new friends, can't go back no more. Life goes on like a sailing boat, but when the waves pick up, we stay afloat. 'Cause we've got community around. Together we won't back down. The people around us have always got our backs. The people surround us, give us love and care. The people's song echoes through the air. I can trust that you'll be there for me. The forest, it calls for me.
Oh yeah, I have tons of space.
I get my weed from Canada. That's where I'm still Russian.
Oh, okay.
If you're shooting on fireworks or like...
Just a heads up, guys. At some point, it's not in the schedule, but I need to venture into the forest to find the spirit of nature. So just a heads up, I may just disappear for a little bit.
Okay.
Speaking of schedule, do we want to do a little quick
What do you mean?
overview of the day? Like, do people know?
I'm sure of it.
Spirit of nature. Why would it be here?
Just trust me.
All
Trust
right.
me. Okay.
One filming got poison ivy.
Gone wrong.
And wait, guys. I just have to take a second. I have to go find the spirit of nature. Just don't mind me.
Okay, bye, Will.
The spirit of nature?
It is I,
Noah?
my child. Come, we must fight the world against industrialism and capitalism.
But Noah, you're wearing a shirt.
Is that so?
Oh,
Come. Every journey starts with a single step. Take yours. Be careful.
development. Or not nice. Propane? I'm anti-pain. Your carbon footprint's probably big as your Dutch Mennonite feet.
I'm not even Dutch, and this is clean fuel.
So Sneha, you're an environment student, right?
Yes.
What kind of trees are these?
This is a maple.
Actually wrong. It's a beech tree. You are free, brethren. Be with your family. So the sanctity of nature. As we trek through the postmodern era, we see the effects of capitalism manifest through the ever-changing state of the environment. At this point, I'm surprised that extreme weather isn't in the Olympics. Plant some trees, raise some bees, stop disease, get Laziz. Ancient proverb.
Good directing. You're going off of the distance, your apartment, and you kind of just see each other, but you have to be so, no, we're not going to do this, we want our apartment to get stronger.
The beach trail is not that long.
Yeah, we can. I feel like it's as hard as we need it to be to eat. So, yeah. Are we watching this immediately, like then?
After it goes down.
Oh, actually, yeah. I basically slept on top of my bed. But last night I feel like it was a bit cool. Not cold, but it was cool enough that I was at least. Yeah, I know.
Oh no!
Try as I may, they're all the same.
You found me!
Do you see this stuff?
I do.
Does it look perfect?
It does.
Wrong. You broke this. You did this.
No!
I trusted you and you terrorized the world that you swore to protect.
Please forgive me.
Therefore, I have banished you from nature, and you must return to Grable. You must return back to the quad.
No! Actually, that sounds pretty cool.
I can feel it. A dark force. No! Dark forces here at play. Will doesn't know this, but I had to send him back. He's the only one strong enough to stop it.